Are you looking for a delicious way to boost your immune system, especially depending on the season? It could be getting colder outside, and in cold and flu season, we tend to be, of course, more prone to developing colds and flus. But I've got a great recipe for you, something that I shared in my live show of Health Matters, and we're going to throw to that now so you can see exactly how to make this great immune shot. It's an easy immune shot that works. My own pumpkin spice immune shot recipe that I am sharing with you. So you need a blender, so any type of blender will do, and you are going to mix in. So I'm putting my water in here. So it's about a cup of water into the blender, and now I'm adding in my ginger. So this is about an inch of ginger. This is an organic. I try to do everything organic whenever possible. This is a very spicy organic ginger. So you may need a little bit more, a little bit less ginger depending on the type of ginger that you purchase, but this one's super spicy. So this is what I put into the blender. The blender is going to deal with all of this, as well as half a lemon. So you can see with my lemon, again, organic lemon, ideally, but I've left some of the rind on the lemon. I just like the fact of using all of fruits and vegetables whenever possible. So I've left some of that because, of course, there are medicinal benefits in all parts of your lemon. So I just dumped that whole half lemon in there, as well as a little bit of cinnamon. So this is just to taste, a little bit of cinnamon. And we're going to use a little bit, of course, of the pumpkin spice. So we need a bit of that spice. Again, that's to taste. And that's something that usually you don't see in this type of recipe, is the pumpkin spice, but I'm telling you, it gives it that little bit of a kick with the ginger and the cinnamon to really spice this up. And now I'm adding in 4 capsules, and this is a concentrated turmeric curcumin formulation, and it's that curcumin that you want. Now remember, you have to be a little bit careful, and I'm hoping I'm not getting it on my nails because it's going to stain my nails, so just be careful with this. But this concentrated curcumin at the 95th percentile of those curcuminoids is a fantastic way to really ramp up your immunity. Again, the studies on turmeric and especially that curcumin are fantastic. This is great going back to, we talked about back pain as well. So not only for your immune system, but this is a great recipe for back pain as well. And I promise that we will share this recipe on Instagram as a post, so that, and I will do this as a TikTok as well, so that you can screen grab the recipe. So all of that, did I miss anything? Nope, we're good. I'm gonna use the honey in just a second because I'm gonna show you sort of my special way of doing this. Okay, it's gonna get loud for a second, so don't go anywhere. Here we go. And I hope you can still hear me, but you really got to let it blend really well and incorporate. Okay, so I think we get the idea. And when I do a big batch like this at home, what I'm doing is using a big strainer, and I strain it into a glass jar such as this, and then I take from this a little shot every day, sometimes twice a day. So again, you're making a big batch. So the recipe that I shared is for a big batch that you're going to put in a glass jar, keep it in the fridge, shake it up, and of course you're going to strain this into that. But I have just a little handy dandy strainer here to show you in my little shot glass. There we go. And as this strains through, this is my own little way of doing this, because on its own, it's very spicy. And for the kids as well, a little bit more difficult to get down. So you can see that I'm just straining that in there. But again, I do it in as a big batch. Now what I do, and this is the way to get the kids to take it as well, is I get this little baby sort of espresso spoon, put that in my honey so that the honey is actually on my spoon. And then, okay, we got this now. Which camera am I looking at? Here we go. So the honey is in your mouth, and then you drink down, of course, the elixir, the pumpkin spice immune shot. That combination, of course, you can do it without the honey. If you're doing keto or whatever, you're watching your carbs, you don't have to use the honey, but just that tiny, it was just a tiny little dab of honey in your mouth, and then put the shot down. It's a game changer. I'm telling you, you will love this so much. So try out this recipe. I know you will absolutely love it as much as I do. I make a big batch for the entire family and we drink that all week long. For another great turmeric recipe though, please check out my video, Golden Milk Recipe, Turmeric Milk Recipe. I'll see you there.